What's the word? I'll go by Justice Serving today. We got Google Dolls, Iris. But it's live this time. I did the original studio version. That song was sad. I was reading the lyrics. I'm like, damn, that song hurt. But we got the live version. Y'all said it was in the rain. So you know I gotta see this. So let's go ahead and check it out. Make sure to hit that like button, comment, and subscribe. And let's get right into it. Google Dolls, Iris, live in Buffalo, New York. And I'm sorry for you Buffalo Bills fans. I know how it is. I'm an Eagles fan, so. Alright, let's get it.
You turn my guitar on.
He said, turn my guitar on. Nah, that's a scene. That's fire. Oh, he got two. What the heck? What is that?
And I'd give up forever to touch you.
Hey.
Cause I know that you feel me somehow.
Nah, and the rain is fire.
You're the closest to heaven that I'll ever be. And I don't wanna go home right now. Cause all I can taste is this moment, and all I can breathe is your life. So when sooner or later it's over, I just don't wanna miss you tonight. And I don't wanna see me, cause I don't think that they'd understand. When everything's meant to be broken, I just want you to know I am.
Nah. Hold on.
And you can't fight the tears that ain't coming, or the moment of truth in your lies. So when everything feels like the movies, yeah, you bleed just to know you're alive. And I don't wanna see me, cause I don't think that they'd understand.
Y'all lucky I don't got my hair no more. I would have been swinging. Pause. Let's go.
Everything's meant to be broken. I just want you to know I am. Hey.
Ah, man. Over there. Hey, cameraman, listen. I was 2 years old when this happened. That's crazy. The quality is good too. This is excellent quality, actually. Talk to him. What is this? Hey!
I want you guys to take this one home, alright?
Nah. That was crazy. Oh, ain't no good. Oh! That was over.
I just want you to know
feels right now. Wow. The crowd suit. Let me sing along. Hold on. Damn.
You guys are the best. This is the best 4th of July ever. Ever. Give yourself some love.
That Rob Gronkowski. Hey.
You have no idea how much we love you. Good night. Thank you for sticking around.
Nah, that's fire. I need more. More in the comments. Wow. If you hear that crowd. Hey. Come on now. What is going on here? Where have I been? Hold on, that's my hair. My hair stuff. Why haven't I heard of this? That was fire. Wow. I'm not gonna lie. That was a 10 out of 10 performance. I like 85 million. I needed to see a zero behind that 5 because that was crazy. But let me know what you think about that in the comments. I go about justice served. And whatever other videos you want me to see, let me know, man. I'm telling you, I got you. But make sure to subscribe, please. I need that. But hope you'll be here for the next.